Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models may experience various diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, indicating issues with the vehicle's performance or functionality. One such code is P16E8-00, which signifies a PGM-FI-Shutter Grille LIN communication error. This error arises when the powertrain control module, PCM, fails to receive the necessary shutter grille signals through the local interconnect network, LIN. The LIN is a communication protocol that allows multiple components to exchange information and work cohesively. When abnormality is detected, the PCM stores the DTC to guide technicians toward the inspection and troubleshooting process. This malfunction can impact the efficiency of several related systems, making it imperative to address promptly to maintain optimal vehicle operation. The P16E8-00 code indicates a communication failure between the PCM and the shutter grille. The PCM, or powertrain control module, serves as the central brain of the vehicle's engine management system, governing various functions like fuel injection and throttle control. The shutter grille, located at the vehicle's front, plays a crucial role in improving aerodynamics and cooling efficiency by regulating airflow. When the PCM does not receive valid signals from this component via the LIN, it recognizes this as an issue and stores the DTC. The inspection will focus on the shutter grille, its electrical connections, and the PCM to diagnose the underlying cause of the communication error effectively. There are several potential causes for the P16E8-00 error code. One of the primary causes can be damaged or frayed wiring within the LIN circuit, which may disrupt the communication signals between the components. Additionally, a faulty shutter grille itself could fail to send or receive the required signals, resulting in the communication error. The PCM may also be at fault, exhibiting a malfunction that prevents it from processing information accurately. Each of these components needs to be inspected meticulously during the troubleshooting process to ensure that the root cause of the problem is correctly identified and rectified. The symptoms associated with the P16E8-00 error code can manifest in various ways. One of the most noticeable signs is a dashboard warning light that illuminates, alerting the driver to a fault in the vehicle's system. Drivers may also experience performance issues, such as sluggish acceleration or unresponsive throttle, due to the communication error interfering with the PCM's ability to optimize engine performance. Furthermore, an increase in fuel consumption can be observed, as improper air intake may cause the engine to work harder than necessary. Drivers should monitor these symptoms, as they indicate the importance of addressing the underlying communication failure promptly. The first step in troubleshooting the P16E8-00 error code involves turning the vehicle to the on mode and waiting for 10 seconds. This allows the vehicle's systems to initiate and the PCM to perform its self-checks. By doing this, technicians can determine whether the initial conditions present any immediate errors that could help pinpoint the source of the code. Waiting for this brief period is crucial, as it ensures that all components are properly powered up and established communication prior to conducting further diagnostic checks. It sets the stage for the inspections that will follow in subsequent steps, leading to a more accurate diagnosis. In this step, technicians will inspect the external circuits related to the LIN communication for potential issues. This includes examining the wiring and connectors for any visible damage, corrosion, or loose connections that could hinder proper signal transmission. Special attention should be paid to the integrity of the BFR-FOG circuit, LIN ACG connections, and the ground circuit. Ensuring that these components are functioning correctly is vital, as a fault in any of these areas could directly lead to the communication error represented by DTC P16E8-00. Technicians must conduct thorough inspections to determine whether these circuits are open, shorted, or otherwise impaired. The next troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting the shutter grille itself for any operational failures. Given its critical role in vehicle performance, it's essential to verify that the shutter grille is functioning as designed. Technicians may examine the connector of the shutter grille to ensure it is securely attached and check for any signs of damage. Although there is no direct method to test the shutter grille in isolation, technicians can infer its state by assessing the adjacent components and overall system behavior. If the shutter grille is found to be malfunctioning, it may require replacement or repair based on the severity of the issue. In this step, the focus shifts to the PCM connections and the internal functioning of the module. Technicians must ensure that the PCM's connectors are secure and free from corrosion, as poor connections can lead to communication errors. If all external inspections yield normal conditions, it may be a sign that the PCM itself is at fault. If further diagnostics confirm internal issues within the PCM, it may require repair or replacement. Given the complexity of modern vehicle systems, PCM issues can be particularly challenging and must be approached with care to ensure any replacements are compatible and correctly programmed. After completing the necessary repairs or component replacements, it's crucial to conduct a final verification of the repairs made in response to the P16E8-00 error code. This involves clearing the DTC from the vehicle's computer system and then retesting the vehicle under normal operating conditions. By doing so, technicians can confirm that the issue has been effectively resolved and that the vehicle is operating as intended without triggering the error code again. Monitoring for any return of the DTC during this verification process helps ensure that no secondary problems persist and that the repair has restored proper communication. Preventive maintenance is essential in avoiding issues like the P16E8-00 error code in the future. Regular inspections of the wiring and connectors associated with the LIN communication system can preemptively identify problems before they escalate. Technicians should also look for signs of wear or damage in the shutter grille and related components during routine maintenance. Keeping these components in check maintains optimal performance and ensures that communication lines between them remain healthy. By practicing regular preventive measures, vehicle owners can better safeguard against costly repairs and enhance the overall longevity of their vehicle's functionality. In conclusion, the P16E8-00 error code in the Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models reflects a critical communication issue between the PCM and the shutter grille. Understanding the causes of this error, such as wiring issues or component failures, is essential in addressing the problem effectively. The systematic troubleshooting steps provide a structured approach to diagnosing and repairing the issues identified, ensuring that technicians can accurately target the underlying cause. Proper repairs and preventive maintenance practices will further enhance vehicle reliability and performance. Regularly monitoring vehicle systems can prevent the reoccurrence of such issues, allowing drivers to enjoy a smoother, more efficient driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.